Welcome to the Trinidad and Tobago Trade and Business Information Portal, your one-stop shop for accurate and up-to-date information on trade, business, and investment procedures. Interested in starting a business? Look no further. Simply click the Business Procedures tab, where you can find all the steps and relevant timelines in setting up your business, from name searches to registration, obtaining licenses, permits, and certifications. One of the core features of the portal is the ability to search for trade procedures. Here you can get step-by-step guidance on how to import and export goods. It shows the agencies involved, required documents, cost, timeframes, and expected outputs throughout the procedure. Another exciting feature is the HS code and tariff finder, which allows you to search for the most favored nation tariff rates for commodities imported into the country and discover eligible preferential rates and the rules of origin for commodities under the various trade agreements. The highly utilized market analysis tools allow you to explore, visualize, and interact with the latest international trade data using trade, export potential, and market access maps. The interactive trade map contains current international trade statistics for more than 220 countries and territories, presenting useful indicators on export performance, international demand, alternative markets, and competitors from both product and country perspectives. The Export Potential Map is designed to identify opportunities for export growth and diversification for commodities at the country, product, and market levels. The Market Access Map illustrates pertinent market access conditions, including analysis of tariff and non-tariff measures for trade. Explore these and other useful features on the Trade and Business Information Portal at www.ttbizlink.gov.tt.